Okay, let's see the wheel part. So, so we'll see how to create this rim part and the tire. If you do one, then others you can duplicate. So let's start on this. So I'll take one cylinder, then rotate. I think Z90. You can find. So you have to scale. What is the radius? Then place it correct position in front of you. So this will be the fine. This will be the rim. Okay, fine. So see in perspective, how's the look? Then what you need? We should have all the divisions. So let's have caps divisions also. So it will give the this area that you can have more because you can see the in the image we have the details something like this. It'll be easy uh, to have. So you have to do 1, 2, 3. So little rotate. So that way you can divide each. So 1, 2, 3 every area I can take 1 and 3. I think it's fine. So a little more I can have caps divisions. Maybe 6 is fine or 7, 8. Yes. So that way we'll get from this bound from this region to here the depth you can see. Even possible you can have more also. So maybe 10. Right. I think 8 is fine. 6 is okay, 6 is fine. We can have inside as look that will start from this. This is fine. I think it will start from here. Okay. That way because 2 minute is look also while tweaking it will create for. So so what you can do, so select all the individual. So mirror I think not necessary, symmetrical you can make it off. So what I'll do right now, 1, 2, 3, till this I can take or till this I can take, yes, fine. So so like that every alternate you can have. I think one you can leave or you can take one more, then again that way is fine. Okay. Or that will be fine, or you can take each two now and you can that way also is fine. So you'll see how many is coming. One, two, two, again three, then four, then five. So like okay, no problem. Okay, fine. So let us continue. So we'll do our style. Okay, fine. So one you leave, then now you can have one more. Or you increase the number of divisions, then you can have less. So no problem. So right now you can follow like this. Okay, fine. So one I'm leaving. So I'm going for this. Okay, so I don't have equal division. So right now one is leaving, one is leaving. So what I do, you can have two to others. Okay, so uh, I'll do like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, fine, and leave the two and go for this next. This way, we I think it will equal divide. Then we can have sorry, we should leave two. It leave two. So this is fine. So again, you leave two. You leave two. I think it will be exactly matched to the equal divide. So this is the result we got. So now check it out. Got it. So now we can go for extrude. So that way you can give the depth. That's what we got the depth there. And in that we hole I think. So you can give the delete the mesh. You can delete. This is fine. So now I like to hide this, so you can make one layer in this. So hide this. It'll be easy to work. So you can focus on this. So now it will give three. What is happening? It is become like this. It looks like a rubber. So it doesn't look like metal. Go for insert as look for the support. Okay. So right. So I don't need universal. Fine. So go for mesh insert as look. So each gives up support here, give one support here. So we should hold everywhere. Even also here also should hold. Here it should hold. And of course this side also. Here also. And here also. Just have a look how it looking after giving the support. So of course here also given support actually. And here also. So it looks very solid. It look like a hard surface. So now you see after giving support how it looks, but this area actually looks very soft, doesn't look like a metal. Okay, so for that you have to give the support every part of the object. So start doing. So this is one. All right, the same thing. I'll give you one here, then I'll give one here. So this part is done. So same thing. I have to come here, give one here. Uh, Done. Right. So again, you have to give here, then you have to give here, then you have to give here, then you have to give here. Sorry, you have to give here, then inside. Fine. So this must given, I think so. Yes, that is done, I think. So go to object mode, right click object mode, and just press three, and you can see the how it looks. So I think it looks good, right? So this looks same like a ring, and you can do make your own design. I think. Right? Okay. So now I'll go for this part. Okay. So little I'll select the this area and things like this side. Yeah, right. This. So extrude. So scale. You can scale it, and this is again extrude. Um, then I can project. So this is the middle part. For this also you can give the support to hold this. So again go for insert so give a support here and again here and again here. That way you can do. So save the file, edit, delete all the time history. Okay, so now it looks fine. So three, let's see this part. And you need some, I can make some nuts bolt type. So what you can do, you can take one cylinder and go for eight sides, right? And go for caps, this is also fine. So this can place here, this can place here, and rotate again Z90, Z90. Okay, so this you can make as a bolt. So in this, what you can do, uh, I think I don't need this caps division, make it zero. We'll go for let it be one or okay. I think let it be zero. So we'll go for bridge, sorry, bevel. Okay, very much bevel. So it'll look okay. Go for bevel fraction distance 0.1. So this will be nice way. Okay, and this will look like a map bolt. Okay, so just press three. You can see that almost looks like this. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, fine. So W and place it. Right. So now still you can stay. Yeah, fine. So this is the size. Okay, I can have one here. Then Control D, you can duplicate and just you place it. So again Control D, you can duplicate. Again Control D, and one more duplicate. In a small knots also you can do that. Also you can do one more and place it so it will look better. So now I can see so small details done. So that you can duplicate again small size. Control D, make it small, and you can keep it here. Just look at here how it looks. Okay, fine. So that way you can use the details. Control D and place it here. Control D, duplicate, again place it here. Control D, again place it here. Control D, again place it here. Almost everything. Let's look at here. Yes. So this way we finish the one. So this part you need not worry because that will be not seen. Even if possible, you can delete the face to the not required. Okay. Or you can remove the. I don't need it. Let's look for this area. Yes, it is to be inside. So you need not waste your uh, number of polygons. This is enough. Okay. Okay, fine. So here maybe you can give one hold mesh insert is look at the edge. In edge it will not seen, but still you can give one hold here. Fine. Then finally, okay, I'll say the file, say the thing, and check it up, press three, and look at the okay, how it looks. Sorry, still looks fine. Okay, so now we'll go for the tire part. So for this also you can have one torus you can take and place it, rotate Z90, Z90. So fine. So this keep exactly center of the ring, right? So now what do you do? You can place it correctly. You can see the point below. It will show that it is placed correctly. Exact. Okay. Then what I'll do? I'll double click this and use the soft selection. Press B, and as it should be straight. So it should be like this, or little bit increase the brush selection. So hold B and increase the soft selection. So you can scale it. Then your surface will look like almost like a tire. Okay. So this is the way you have to make the things. And even if also you see it is not correctly centered, so overall you can scale it, right? So I think the image is here. This or that. Okay. So it's matching, but it's not in the center. So uh, so this is the exact center, but tire is not center. So what you can do for make a center is the correct way. Or keep it center. Press V, it will actually go and sit to there. Okay. So sorry, press V, middle mouse button, and it will go and sit there. So it will sit exactly on that. Okay. Then I can align it correctly. So now see, these are not necessary these spaces. Okay. So be sure that those things can be deleted. Press just double click. I can delete these spaces. So easily can select this one and same time there. Um, okay, just delete. Delete. Sorry. Yep, I can delete. Yes. So now I can see the. I think this also can hide one layer, so it's easy to see what is happening. So these are the things. Actually, this also can be removed. So we can do mesh separate. It will come as a separate object. So now it is not necessary. Okay, you can delete this. So now check it out. It is fitting to the name. Nice. So little double click this and double click this, double click this and double click this. So what you should do, uh, little you have to keep scaling. It look like a it is inside that look until you come. That way you can do manage it. So maybe little reduce the scale and move this way also. And you, this side only will be seen, that side will be not seen. So you need not worry about that. And little you have to overly, I think you have to scale. It will go inside. Okay, that will be there. So it is putting inside the lid. That will be there. So now it is almost done. So maybe so this area you have to work click it, double click, and this is double click and make scale it. So that tire straight will should be there. Not exact straight. It looks little straight. I mean, so mild curvature should be there. Then correct, right? So this is the and this part also little. I think you have to give little like this. Fine. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now this looks fine. So almost looks like tire. So it is done. Delete all beta history. We're not doing texture now. So you will what you should do, you can make this is also another layer. So all those things you combine, you can make one layer. So maybe mesh combine, edit, delete all the history, fine. And this is another one. This to this also edit, ungroup, right? So this is ungroup, edit, ungroup it. This is one of the one. So this is called your tire, you name it, and this is called your ring. Okay, so both will have a different texture, so let it be different officers. This both you can select and make it on group, like Control Z, and this will be fine. So now you want to get opposite side of this. So Control D and X minus one you give. So typically will come this way. Okay, fine. You see, you got the opposite side, right? So same thing. You have to get the group selection, and both you can select. All right, both group you can select, and you can duplicate. Okay. So what a time. Control D, and you can place under here. Okay, fine. So now you can center what you can make easily, right? So our tool we can make center pivot. So the pivot point should come to the center. So modify center pivot, right? So each will have their own center pivot. So you can see. So now easily you can animate this. Right, fine. So this is the procedure to create the tire and ring. So you can press 3, you can see this. Also you can press 3, you can see the result, you can see. And you can give all propose different material for this. Just right now to have one material, you can say temporarily you can give something bling, I guess a metallic material, right? And to differentiate also this, you can use some black related. Maybe we can use lambert to differentiate. Okay, so maybe not full black, maybe almost close to black. So this is the way you can make your tire and rim with all the details. So more, to go for more detailing, again you can go to the like sculpting software, ZBrush, all those things. But to do the base models, this is enough. I can do it in my. Okay, so hope you understood how to get the car wheel. So we'll continue the next how to create the doors and glass windows, everything.